Join me as I take on the challenge of eating sardines every day for a week to see if this superfood really lives up to the hype for weight loss and muscle gain. Sardines are often considered one of the most underrated superfoods out there, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients, affordable, and incredibly versatile. But what makes them so special when it comes to weight loss and muscle gain? One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to lose weight or gain muscle is finding healthy, affordable protein sources that won't break the bank. It seems like every healthy food option out there is either ridiculously expensive or just plain bland. And let's be real, who hasn't gotten stuck in a rut, eating the same old chicken breast and brown rice every day? Another challenge is figuring out how to get enough protein without relying on supplements or expensive powders. As someone who's tried to get fit on a budget, I can tell you that it's a real struggle. You want to make sure you're fueling your body with the right foods, but it's hard to know where to start. And then there's the issue of convenience. Let's face it, most of us are busy, and finding the time to cook healthy meals can be tough. We need foods that are quick, easy, and won't sabotage our fitness goals. So, what's the solution? I used to think that getting enough protein meant relying on expensive, processed foods or boring old chicken breast, until I discovered the magic of sardines. These little fish are like a nutrition powerhouse. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. One of the reasons sardines are so effective for weight loss and muscle gain is because of their incredible omega-3 content. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, and even improve heart health. And the best part? Sardines are one of the richest sources of omega-3s out there. But that's not all. Sardines are also an amazing source of protein. One serving of sardines packs a whopping 25 grams of protein, making them an ideal snack or addition to your meals. And let's not forget about the essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, and selenium. So, what does the research say about sardines and weight loss? Studies have shown that incorporating sardines into your diet can lead to significant weight loss results, particularly around the midsection. And when it comes to muscle gain, sardines have been shown to increase muscle mass and strength. But don't just take my word for it. I've spoken to people who've incorporated sardines into their diets and seen incredible results. One of my friends, who was struggling to lose weight, started eating sardines every day and lost 10 pounds in just a few weeks. Another friend, who was trying to bulk up, saw a significant increase in muscle mass after adding sardines to his diet. So, what's the takeaway? Sardines are an incredible superfood that can help you achieve your weight loss and muscle gain goals. They're affordable, convenient, and packed with nutrients. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthy addition to your meals, sardines are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've had any experiences with sardines or other superfoods, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in next time when I'll be sharing some healthy meal prep ideas that you can try at home.